So we're here at my friend Bill's house. Bill and his wife Vanessa. Well, you killed your yard intentionally.
Yep.
We went to a yard the other day that they killed unintentionally, so you're a step better. Your yard's just rough, right? And you saw that we had done some leveling work and you decided maybe that's exactly what you needed here.
Yeah.
Now you need a little grading too, so what do we need to do here from a grading standpoint?
Well, we need to take this hump out here because it's letting water run towards the house.
Okay.
So I need to get this hump out so it'll pull the water away from the house.
We got a nice big swale here that the subdivision or somebody's already put in, so that's good, and we've got plenty of slope. So we want to try to slope this away from the house down that way, right?
Right.
Now, do you want it evenly sloped from all of it, or do you want just kind of a swale put in to have one little area? Kind of, how do you want that?
Kind of level, and just you could have a little bit of a dip in it just to keep it out of the neighbor's yard maybe. And
okay.
Because he's having a little trouble with his shed over there, settling on that corner there.
Yeah, I see. We need to. There's a low spot over there by the garden over there, isn't there? We need to somehow get that drained.
Right.
Down along, maybe we can put a little bit of a swale along your side there.
I did help him out with the downspout, running it in with the sump pit line.
Yeah.
To get it to the swell, so that would keep a lot of water off of his.
His downspout still.
Yeah.
Still draining into it though, so that's a bit of a challenge. This could it's a small yard, but this could take us a good while because there's really a lot of dirt to move. There's a pile of dirt over here.
Yeah, so that came from under the deck when we built the deck. It was really humped there too, so we graded it to slope away from the house also.
Okay, and we got to find a spot to hide that.
Well, I think it's kind of low right there, right behind you there. So
yeah, might be a spot here. There might be a spot over on the side. Maybe we can put it. You would put a temporary trench in here to drain your.
Yes, I put the line up against the house and against the deck there, and then it's all permanent now, and then just drain a temporary out to get the water from the house.
Okay, so I think maybe what we'll do is do some grading, and then we'll redig this trench. We'll fill it in for now, or sort of fill it in. We'll do some grading work, and then we'll redig it, and then do our final grading. We can go ahead and you've got pipe here. We can go ahead and put the pipe in. And okay, time to get started.
All right, let's go.
That's pretty good topsoil that I'm seeing. So I think it'll be good over here. We'll try to put a little bit of a hump here in the middle. He's had a little drainage problem. We can drain to the front and we can drain to the back. I think if we'll put a little bit of a hump here, he can get it to drain both ways. I got a comment the other day from a viewer that said, show me a video where you're using that toothbar in hard soil. I always only see it being used in loose piles of dirt. Well, I suppose some viewer watching this could say the same thing. This is a loose pile of dirt. Well, it looks a lot looser maybe than it really is. I would have a hard time scooping this up without the toothbar. I could do it, but it's a lot easier with the toothbar. Toothbar just like this, heavyhitch.com. Use code TPWT for a 5% discount. They're not cheap, but oh my goodness, they totally transform your bucket. Hey, I may have to get a new canopy. Soil's a little bit wet here. Bill, you said you wanted this tree out, right?
Yes.
That's a cute little tree, but I think it's in the wrong place. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. How lovely are your branches. There you go. Bill, we're getting it torn up now.
It's looking good.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Let's just quit then. She's doing good stuff there now.
Yeah.
She's pretty good with that thing.
Looks like she is. Looks like she's had practice.
Yeah, well, she learns quick. And it's an amazing tool. You can do a lot with it. Now, what we talked about before, being comfortable with the machine is not that difficult. She said, I don't have any problem using the machine, running the machine. She says, I just can't visualize where it needs to go, and then the subsequent step, how would I get it there? And she's doing so much better at that now.
Yeah.
I used to have to try to tell her, micromanage each of those individual steps. Do this, then do this. Now I can say, okay, let's make a swale here. Even better is when I don't even have to tell her there's a hump there. Get that hump off. Now she says, oh, there's a hump there. I'm gonna work on that. And people don't understand that. People don't understand that that's what it takes to be able to use equipment like this to make money. It's not I know how to turn it on and make it run. It's I know how to make it do what I need it to do. It looks like there's a hole down there where I took that bush out.
Yeah.
Up on the side. And it looks like there might still be a little bit of a hole back where this original hole was, way behind you. I dragged some up there, but
okay.
And pretty soon we'll have to do this side of it too, work on this side of it too, and then we'll have to get the level out.
Right.
Maybe I should do that while you're working on that. I'll go get the level.
Bill turned up the heat. Woo!
Yeah. He's just like any cameraman though.
He's found a shade.
The best position to put the
Yes.
camera in is always a shady spot.
But it's still buggy over here.
I tried to make it a little bit shallower, we'll see.
Doing a superb job.
It is looking
great.
pretty good, isn't it?
It's looking great. Not just good, it's great.
Okay, well, I think I'll go get the trencher. At some point, I have to start coming up to surface. Not yet, but I mean,
Right.
we got to keep that in mind.
Yeah, it's dropping real fast, so
Okay.
'cause I'm raising it about an inch every
Every feet.
foot or so, every couple
Okay.
feet.
You think I could raise a little bit now?
From here on, it's going up.
It's going up
Yeah,
because my back end started going down.
yeah,
Okay, so let me see if I can drive up. I don't know. See, it's hard for me to.
right.
It may be that we have to do that with the shovel.
Or,
Fix that. I can put it down now, but
Yeah,
you don't understand. A mistake I've already made, I don't think I can hardly do it because I drive up on the hump and it gets all in a mess.
okay.
So we might be able to. Do you have a tile spade?
No,
Shovel this
Vanessa
way?
don't own one of those.
I actually own 3 of them. I should donate one. I can try to drive up and pull down a little bit more, but I'm afraid it's going to make a mess. How far do you think I've dug going uphill? That's still going downhill.
Yeah, it's still downhill there. But then here it's
Starting to go up right there?
going up right here.
Well, that's not too far. Maybe I could try that. See what I mean?
Looking good.
Compare the bottom of the trench with the deep spot here, though. I'm concerned that we...
This is way lower.
Is it?
Bill's wife Vanessa got home from her job, so we decided to start some of the cleanup. They've got a really nice truck, so I made sure not to hit the sides of it. Using the tractor was quicker and easier than trying to just haul it around by hand.
The girls are doing a great job.
Yeah.
We're doing just what we started out when we were kids, Bill, watching the girls.
Yep.
That breeze is nice, too.
Yes, it is.
That's much easier than me dragging these all around front.
Oh, absolutely.
I think we're pretty close. I don't really think we need to cut a whole lot off.
We gave Bill control of the camera, and this is what he decided to shoot.
You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. You missed one right here. There's one right there.
I'd say Vanessa's a pretty good sport.
There's another one right here.
She has to put up with this guy all the time.
You missed this one. I see another one over there.
I think it looks about the same as it did this morning. It's the same yard.
Same
Well,
yard,
it's
but
same
it
yard.
looks so much nicer.
But
You like it?
Yes.
You think this is going to be good? Now this comes with 5x5 warranty.
5x5.
5 minutes or 5 feet after we leave, the warranty expires.
I'm good with that.
Me too.
That's not true. We see him at church every week.
Yeah, we may need to come back. Who knows? I
Nah.
don't know that trench will it'll probably settle in, and we may have to do some more on that. And it may not seem this smooth and nice after the first rain. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Anything is better than it was. Even though it's a small yard, it would take me forever to mow it because of my arms got tired.
Hitting all the lumps and
The
bumps.
humps and the
Yeah,
bumps.
it was
and the-
rough. It
It
really
was-
was rough. So I think we've got that taken care of. It'll be interesting to see if we've got the water drainage and the swale taken care of.
I'm pretty sure we do, because that.
That looks good too. So
You know,
yeah, got
this
the hump out of
project,
there.
it was, it looked like it wasn't that big of a deal. Christy and I were talking about it at lunch, you know, oh, we just need to move a few inches of dirt from here, and we just need to move a few inches of dirt there. But there was really a lot of dirt moved today.
There was.
Yeah.
Aren't you glad we didn't do it with a garden tiller?
I am so glad you didn't do it with a garden tiller.
Did you catch that?
I caught that.
We dug a little swale here that I think was unexpected. And I'm not sure it's going to fully drain the neighbor's yard, but hopefully it'll come close. We took a good bit of dirt away from the deck over here so that hopefully it'll drain out from under the deck a little bit better. Bill and Vanessa put in the pipe while we trenched that area out. Overall, I think this was a success. Come on in here, Christy. Christy, don't touch that. You and Vinny were the stars of the show today, I think.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I think you did a great job with Vinny, and
You did.
Vinny
Very
makes
good.
it easy.
Yeah.
folks, I hope you enjoyed it. I know we did.
Yep.
So, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on
Tractor Time with Tim.
You look like that. You need a hoe. If
The
you
rake
had
don't work?
both. Don't you need both?
Oh.
You know, didn't one of you, or does, what is that, American?
Oh, yes. He doesn't have glasses.
American something.
Yeah.
There's that
I'm totally lost.
there's a farmer and his
Farmer
wife.
and his wife.
Oh, that picture thing.
Yes.